Ready? What are we doing? Want to take the stairs or the elevator? What do you think? Stairs? Let's do it. Get up there. Do you know which door it is? I'm faster than you. Faster than you. Which door is it? It says the dentist is ready. Are you ready for it? Oh my god. This is your 10th cleaning?
What's so funny? Oh, they match your outfit.
Cool.
Alright, sweetie. I have. You're doing really good.
Yeah.
No, she loves teeth cleaning, right, Emma? We love shining those teeth. They're so cute.
You may have to reply it. Did she notice that she put that one on, or she just grabbed whatever?
You know that, Emma, right? Yeah, she knows. I have a lot of those.
Yeah.
So I don't want to apply. This side. Close your mouth in. That's my favorite part of the dentist.
Alright, I'm gonna use some water for you. Okay? Don't be too much. Close your lips together. Okay?
So cool.
Give it a kiss. How does it feel? Do you want another rinse? Nope. Close your lips again.
What do you want to say? You look really cool in those glasses. Love it. Sleeping. Mommy clean your teeth? Oh, I can't clean your teeth. I can use this tool. Go sit over there. You can take some pictures of your teeth.
Oh, we even have Rapunzel. Have Rapunzel here.
That's a
Love
lot.
toys.
Which one do you want?
They're all good.
Pick the pink one. You like pink.
That one?
Cool. And you get a pick a prize.
So right over here we have different animals, or we have these slap bracelets and glow in the dark rings. You can do